Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is called Shabby Vintage Flowers. That's what we're calling it. So I've used various kits in it. It's not just from one kit. I've used some freebies and all sorts. I'll try and mention it as I go through. So this measures 7 by 4. It has one signature, 44 pages front and back. It will be listed over on my KoFi Shop with a free shipping and tracking, and the free shipping is for today only, which is the 3rd of June. So we've got this simple lace. Is that stretchy lace? Slightly. Lace closure, comes off completely. I'm just going to show you this because the that opens right out like so at the back, and that doesn't. So that's a book page here with a book page pocket. We've got a tag here from the Tag Galore kit from ARTYmaze. It's opened at the back and there's something else in there as well. There is this image is from one of ARTYmaze's kits, and I think it's the Bell Rose. Some trim, some bling, butterfly, the word explore. At the side here we've got this little postcard. That's a freebie on my KoFi Shop, so go check that out. And then we open it up, and then we've got a selection of tags here. This is from Dreams Etc. This is from I don't know who, the ARTYmaze tag kit, Tag Galore. This is from the Bell Rose kit, I think, a butterfly, some stenciling there. This is just a piece of some form of a ledger paper, and I stenciled on the back. This, I've got a video coming out. I'm doing got loads of videos lined up actually for Craft with Maze. So that is a book page double pocket. Easy peasy. It's probably been done before, but I'm just doing a craft with me with it. Image here is from ARTYmaze. I think that's Bell Rose as well, and all that, and the butterflies from ARTYmaze. The tag is ARTYmaze, and that's just a little index card that I've I did actually coffee one. I sat it on the side to dry, and I come back and it was gone, and I found it was on the floor. The wind blew it somewhere. So I done that one instead. We've got this paper's ARTYmaze. So is this the butterfly? I thought that was cute with the stitching there. Anyway, that, I can't remember who that's from, and I can't remember who that is from either. I've had it in my digital stash for eons. This is just some paper that I coffee dyed. We've got some trim here. There is lots and lots of journal space, some stenciling there, a lace pocket from the Tag Galore kit from ARTYmaze. This is TaylorMadeJournals. You will find below a list of ladies that I use on a regular basis with their digitals. And here's some more stenciling there. That is some old ledger paper. Folded that up, made a pocket, added this little kind of cluster thing here. You can journal on all of that. Tag from Tag Galore kit. This is from Tracie Fox from, I can't remember the name of the kit, Dreams Etc. and I don't know who that's from. It was like a whole sheet with loads of these little pieces on. I got that years ago on, I was going to say TikTok, oh geez, on Etsy. Here again, another little pocket. That's ARTYmaze paper. I folded that in half. This paper here is TaylorMadeJournals. So I printed on both sides. Again, that's another one of them. And tag. And that, I don't know where that's from. See, I've got a lot of stuff from my old Etsy, excuse my squeaky chair, from my old Etsy store that I can't get into, so I had to open a new one. So I'm not going to be able to find out who that is, I don't think. Some squid paper. I've done some punching there with my binder. Oh, some stenciling, a little bit of really faded stenciling there and here, just to add some detail to a blank page. ARTYmaze. The ledger on the back excuse me, is TaylorMadeJournals. We've got a little one of these. That is Tracie Fox. That's Dreams Etc. And that is ARTYmaze, and that's from ARTYmaze, the Bell Rose kit. And then I done some stenciling. I just done the inky stenciling. I didn't do any painty stenciling today. And then we've got some more little tags. My grandson's here because he's there's someone ill in the his other side of the family, so he's staying, and he come in to me today and he said, "You're always making journals, aren't you?" And I said, "Yes." He said, "You like doing it?" I said, "I love doing it." And I was watching some mixed media artist on the TV on YouTube at the same time, and he says, "Are you copying that lady?" I said, "No." I said, "Because I'm not doing that mixed media." And then he said, "Do you watch that lady all the time?" I said, "No, I've just come across her. She's new to me. I can't even remember her name, but I have saved her videos, and I have subscribed to her now. That's ARTYmaze." Anyway, he said to me, he was watching me fussy cut some butterflies, and he went, "Wow," he went, "I would never be able to do that." And I was like, "Well, you could with practice." I said, "Because years ago, I couldn't fussy cut." I said, "And now I can." And he said, "You're really clever, Nan." And I was like, "Oh, thank you." It was so sweet, bless him. Yeah, bless his heart. And he said to me, what was it he said? "How long did it take you to make this journal?" And I said, "Well, I had the basis of it all put together, and I had a lot of the things printed out, and I had to just do some backing and make little things." I said, "But I've been doing this all day." And he said, "You've been really busy." It's like, yes, I have. I mean, literally, it takes me about, this is like a full-time job to me. So it is, that's a freebie on my KoFi Shop. That's ARTYmaze's tag galore. It is about, and it's depending on the journal and depending on how much I've already done before getting into it. It could be 8 hours, it could be 12 hours, and it could be spread over 1 day, 2 days, sometimes 3 days. It just depends how it is. But yeah, he was full of questions, bless him. I was waiting for him to say, "Oh, Nan, I want to be what you, but I want to do what you do when I grow up." Right, got a little video on this coming up as well. I think that's tomorrow. Excuse my croaky voice. It's just a little scrappy pad. I'm just going to now, see when I'm just doing stuff, I'm just going to like switch camera on and do a little craft with me. They're not really tutorials as such. Then they're just like little process things, like, you know, what I'm doing, maybe to jog your memory, because we've all seen a lot of this stuff before and you do forget because you kind of go on and do other stuff. A little bit of stenciling there. Little pocket there. We've got some more from TaylorMadeJournals. Yeah, I mean, I'm always seeing the things that have kind of, you know, and people take their own like their own take on things, and then it's kind of like remodeled, revamped, and then everybody's like, "Wow, go try that." But yeah, so that's my little journal. I hope the lighting wasn't too bad. And like I said, free shipping on my KoFi Shop for today only, the 3rd. Yep, 3rd of June, and with tracking. Everything else will be linked below. Yeah, I love these little journals. Yeah, I might do a flip-flop one next. Who knows? Anyway, there we go. Any questions, just ask. Thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.